Samsung's budget-friendly A series is back. But with strong competition from Infinix, is the Galaxy A05s worth it? Let's find out. Inside the box, it's the usual. The phone, a 15-watt charger, USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. No earphones, no case. Pretty basic. The A05s has a plastic matty back, 194-gram weight, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's simple but solid for a budget device. Powered by the Snapdragon 680 and 4GB or 6GB RAM, this phone is decent for everyday use. But here's the catch: no 5G. The Snapdragon 680 is a 4G chip from 2021. Good for social media, light gaming, and daily tasks. But heavy gamers, beware. Compared to the Redmi 12's Helio G88, it's slightly slower in graphics-heavy apps. It runs Android 13 with One UI Core 5. Samsung promises 2 major updates and 4 years of security patches, so expect Android 15 at most. At $130 to $150, it's a decent choice if you want long software support and a Samsung brand. But for performance, the Redmi 12 gives you a better chip at the same price. Would you buy this or go for a better chip? Let me know in the comments.